We do have a couple things I want to talk to you about in the tropics as well. Hurricane Nicole in the northern Atlantic is affecting us. What you just saw on Jensen Beach, part of that is from Nicole. Part of it is because we're dealing with the king tides right now. Nicole is generating swells along the entire east coast, which is kind of impressive considering it's so far away. Not only that, but we're also keeping an eye on this disturbance near the Bahamas with a medium chance of development in the next 5 days. So let's talk a little bit more about that. I mentioned the coastal flooding advisory. That is through Wednesday. Also a high risk of rip currents at the beach. You saw that there. The water's really rough and choppy. There were also some people out on the beach. If you have beach plans today, just be really careful. Surf will be waist to chest high. For today, small crafts do need to use caution. There's going to be a moderate chop on the inland waters, so you want to be careful with that. Live, a Viper 5 Max showing just a few isolated showers moving through interior Indian River County and moving into northern Okeechobee County. A couple showers starting to show up in interior Palm Beach County as well. Low to mid 80s along the coast, so it's already warming up out there. Today is going to be a lot like the past few days. You're going to see those fast passing showers as we head through the rest of the day. So if you get stuck under a shower, it's going to move on really quickly. Not a lot to worry about there, but go ahead and take the umbrella along so you won't have to worry about that. Highs today in the mid 80s, going to feel more like the lower 90s, so it's going to be windy and warm. Winds out of the northeast at 15 to 20 miles per hour. We've got quite a few more warm days ahead. Temperatures staying in the mid 80s. But then we have a payoff coming in the form of a cold front by the end of the week. So you see here mid 80s through Wednesday, lots of sunshine, low rain chances. Rain chances are higher on Thursday. There you see it. But by Friday, they go right back down. That cold front moves through, ushers in cooler, drier air. Overnight lows in the upper 60s, afternoon highs in the lower 80s.